e.g. Ines demand response analysis identifies the potential flexible loads within the property that could be utilized as FCR-D frequency reserves offered by the Finnish electricity network system operator, Fingrid. Flexible consumption in properties can be found, for example, in ventilation, cooling, and electric heating systems. The demand response analysis helps to assess the flexible power potential and its revenue possibilities. The analysis is suitable for properties where the peak power consumption exceeds 200 kilowatts and the annual consumption is over 600 megawatt hours. Additionally, the property must have a modern automation system, preferably connected to a cloud monitoring system. The key results of the analysis are compiled in the summary and table view. From the columns menu above the table, you can add or remove data displayed in the table. After the facility name, the first column contains buttons for downloading the facility report, creating an action, and updating the calculation. The state column indicates whether the analysis was successful and the possible reason for its failure. The status column shows the status of the findings, which you can change with the pencil icon. The date column shows when the calculation was last updated. The actions column indicates whether actions related to the analysis have already been created for the facility. The following columns present the identified demand response potential. You can get more detailed explanations for the data in the results columns by hovering over the column header with your mouse. Next, let's go through the content of the facility report, which you can download by clicking the Download Report button. The summary of the report presents the distribution of the annual demand response potential for electric cooling, electric heating, and loads caused by occupation. Next section shows whether electric cooling has been detected in the property. If cooling is detected, the modeled consumption of cooling at different outdoor temperatures is presented in the figure. In the electric heating section, electric heating is identified, and if it is detected, the modeled consumption of heating is presented in the same way as for cooling. It is assumed that the cooling and heating loads are fully available for demand response reserves. In the next section, Ines has created a time series for the review period to describe the loads resulting from the property's use, such as ventilation, lighting, and other electrical devices. A third of these loads are estimated to be realistically available for demand response capacity. In the results section, Ines combines the above time series and uses historical market prices of FCR-D demand response to estimate the theoretical revenue potential. The available capacity and cumulative revenue potential are presented in the graph.